This video is about Microsoft Dynamics implementation for the Japanese branch of a global medical device manufacturer. Headquartered in New York with a branch in Tokyo, Syscom Global Solutions is a Microsoft Cloud solution partner specializing in Dynamics 365 Finance and SCM solutions in both Japanese and English. In this project, bilingual consultants from our Tokyo branch supported the Microsoft Dynamics implementation for the Japanese branch of a global medical device manufacturer in Europe. This project had faced 2 previous failures with other vendors and was highly complex. After we were assigned, we acted as a bridge to ensure the project's success. We leveraged our expertise and experience to revive it, successfully achieving a smooth go-live as planned. Operations are now running efficiently and on schedule.
Global ERP rollouts in Japan are generally considered challenging due to localization requirements. However, our extensive experience with global projects and our bilingual consultants' ability to bridge communication between Japan and overseas teams was key to the project's success. Visit our website to learn more about this case study.